Here's my number 3 of my easy strum A. Keep that A in the bass. Play that D over it. Very kind of Keith, isn't it? It's kind of Stonesy. Also, I used to play this with Clarence Clemens. Every night we'd play Glory Days by Bruce Springsteen. There's a million different ways you can use that little lick. So I've done a couple of lessons on it. I gave you a little walk up. You can hammer on. A million different things you can do with that. If you want to hit a high A, do that as well. It's just a great little exercise, and it's super easy for those of you that are just getting going possibly, and you want something that moves in a chordal fashion. That's your A, D, A. We'll see you down the road.